Good morning, students. See, we already discussed about the continuity of the function or continuous function. Any function. Okay, a function is said to be continuous at x is equal to point A. Okay, any function which is said to be continuous at x is equal to A if there are two conditions. If that function satisfies these two conditions, then I say the given function is continuous. What is that? The first one, limit exists to it. That is, at limit x tends to a, f of x exists. So first is the limit exists and that limit function. See. And the second condition is at limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a agirಬೇಕು. The limit of the function is equal to the value of the function agirಬೇಕು. Okay. So a function is said to be continuous if the limit exists for that given function and the limit of the function and that limit of the function is equal to the value of the function agirಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ continuous function. Okay, that is known as a continuity at x is equal to a point. Okay, that given function is continuous at x is equal to a ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, suppose any one of these condition fails to say, then we say that is a discontinuous. That is the point of discontinuity. Okay, suppose suppose limit at x tends to a, f of x is not equals to f of a, then we say that this is a discontinuous function. Okay, this is the discontinuity of function or discontinuous function. Or and this point at x is equal to a, this point is known as the point of discontinuity. Okay, suppose this happens, ಇವೆರಡು equal ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this point is known as the point of discontinuity ಅಂತ. Okay, and see, we learned about the continuity of the function and the discontinuity of the function. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವೆರಡು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, that's why everything is related to each other. So we learned about these things and this is a calculus method. Okay, and suppose if you say graphically, how you say? Okay, if you can draw any graph without lifting the pen from the plane of the paper. Okay, or you can say any graph which is drawn without lifting the pen from the plane of the board is known as a continuous function. Generally I will so ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೈಯಿಂದಾನೆ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So this is a continuous function. Okay, we already learned about these things. Okay, we already learned the graphically how we say the continuous function as well as in the calculus. Okay, calculus use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ continuous function ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, whether the given function is continuous or not, how we will check. Okay, we learned about these things. Suppose the example, see the one more example here. In the previous class I explained you with using f of x is equal to x square. But here I have one more example. What is that one is, check the continuity of the function f given by f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 at x is equal to 1. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, at x is equal to 1 whether the given function is continuous or not I have to check. Okay, using calculus method, how you will check that the given function is continuous or not? First there exists a limit. First limit exists. See, you know in the previous year how we used to calculate the limit of the function. See, as limit x tends to a, in place of a I have 1. As limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to 1. That is the 2x plus 3 I have. Therefore, as limit x tends to 1, 2 that becomes, so we already learned in the previous year, that is as limit extends to 1, 2 into 1 plus 3, that is 5. Okay, so limit value बना देगा, see limit as x tends to 1, f of x is equal to 5. Okay, suppose you consider this as equation 1. Now I have to find out the value of the function. Value of the function अंदर at x is equal to 1. What is the value of the function? That is f of 1 ಏನಂತ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. f of 1 ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? That is 2 into 1 plus 3. That is 5. The value of the function is 5. That is f of 1 is equal to 5 and limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to 5. Then I can say that the value of the function is equals to the limit of the function, that is f of x is equal to f of when this is true, f of 1. When this is true, that is the limit of the function is equal to the value of the function, then I say that the given function f is continuous at where? Continuous at x is equal to 1. Therefore, f is continuous at x is equal to 1. Okay, the given function is continuous at x is equal to 1. First time ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ limit ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ, and limit x tends to 1. Why I am choosing as limit x tends to 1? They have given that we have to find the limit as x tends to 1. Okay, we have to check whether the function is continuous at 1 or not. We have to check. That's why I am taking limit x tends to 1, f of x. Okay, limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to 5 I am getting, which is also the value of the function f of 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 1, f of x is equal to f of 1. Therefore, this function is continuous and this is a polynomial function, isn't it? 2x plus 3 is a polynomial function. You know the polynomial function, right? Every polynomial function is continuous. So here 2x plus 3 is also a continuous function. We will see the one more example for better understanding. See here, the problem number 2. This is very interesting. I told you that every polynomial function is a continuous and they have given here a polynomial function. See, you cannot say this polynomial function is a continuous. Why? Because our function is like this. Now function in define ಮಾಡರಲ್ಲಿ x cube plus 3 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ x not equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, 1 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ x equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ polynomial function ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು. So ನಾವು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ. Whether this function is continuous or not, we have to check. Okay, check the continuity of the function you have given by f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 if x is not equal to 0 and it takes the value 1 if x is equal to 0. At x equal to 0, we have to check whether this function is continuous or not. So first thing ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, suppose see whenever x not equal to 0, so they have given x cube plus 3 and at x equal to 0 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ see value of the function ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, value of the function at x equal to 0. Can you guess what is the value of the function at x equal to 0? ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ value of the function ಏನಂತ ನಮಗೆ f of x is equal to 1. That see f of 0 that is equals to 1. Value of the function at x equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅಂತ. See x is equal to 0. When x equal to 0, f of x is, see when x equal to 0, f of x is 1. When x is not equal to 0, f of x is x cube plus 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಗ when x equal to 0 f of x is equal to 1, when x not equal to 0 f of x is equal to x cube plus 3 ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ x ಇದ್ರೆ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1. f of x is equal to 1 when x equal to 0, that means f of 0 ಏನಾಯ್ತು, 1 ಆಯ್ತು. So now limit of the function when x not equal to 0 equal to x cube plus 3. Okay, at least limit x tending to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so when x approaches to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, x not equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ x cube plus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ at least ಅದರ ಆಸ್ಪಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. so when x approaches to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, that is the limit of the function, that is limit x tending to 0 f of x ಏನದ, that is x cube plus 3, that is limit x tends to 0 f of x is nothing but x cube plus 3. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, replace by 0, that is limit x tends to 0 x cube is 0 plus 3, 0 cube is 0, 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3. see, value of the function ಏನದ 1 ಅದ, limit of the function ಏನದ 3 ಅದ. so ಏನಾಯ್ತು, as limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to ಬಂತು 3 ಬಂತು, which is not equal to f of 0. f of 0 ಏನದ 1 ಅದ. so therefore as limit x tends to 0 f of x is not equal to f of 0. see, I told you the discontinuity of the function definition. I told you, see, whenever as limit x tends to 0 f of x is not equal to f of 0, then I say the function is discontinuous at x equal to 0. see, therefore f is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. see, I can say here that the given function is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. at x is equal to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ discontinuous ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳತ್ತಾರೆ. why? because I calculated here with this calculus method, that is whenever the limit of the function is not equal to the value of the function, then I say that the function, given function is discontinuous. okay, whether if the limit of the function is equal to the value of the function, then I say the function is continuous. okay, this is the difference between continuous function and discontinuous function. That's why I explained one example with the continuous function and the one example with the discontinuous function. Suppose if you consider any trigonometric function, see, I will consider f of x is equal to sin x. okay, I will consider f of x is equal to sin x. we have to check whether the function is continuous at any point. Any point means at x is equal to c I will take c. Let c be a, let x equal to c be any point. okay, let x is equal to c be any real number, that is c. here x equal to c be any real number, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು real number consider. in the xy plane let x equal to c be a any real number, either it may be this anything. here let x equal to c be any real number. I consider let x equal to c be any real number, and now I will prove that, see, at x is equal to c, the sine function, this trigonometric function is continuous at x is equal to c. so what we should have here, that is limit of the function is equals to value of the function isn't it? so then I say that the given function is continuous. see, here c be any real number. okay, c be any real number, f of x becomes f of c. That is, in place of x I have to take c. That is sin c. Sin c है तो so sin c is the function. C can take any real number. That is sin 90 degree you take. That will give some answer. Okay. Sin 111. Okay. That will give one answer. Isn't it? C can be any real number. Okay. Value of the function है तो f of c is equal to sin c है. Now come to the limit of the function. What is the limit of the function? See, limit as x tends to c, f of x is equal to, that is, as limit x tends to c, sin x. Okay. So what it becomes? It becomes sin cn. So limit of the function is equal to the value of the function. Therefore, as limit x tends to c, f of x is equal to f of c. Both are sin c, isn't it? That's why this limit exists, and that limit is equals to the, see, that limit is equal to the value of the function. Limit of the function is equal to the value of the function. Therefore, this sin x is a continuous at x is equal to c. Okay, that means the function is continuous at any real number. Okay, therefore f is continuous at x is equal to c. F is continuous at x is equal to c, and then c be any real number. So therefore f is continuous at any real number. So therefore every trigonometric function is also continuous. Okay. Therefore the trigonometric function is continuous at the given point. So now I will tell you when the trigonometric functions comes in the picture, I will explain about the continuity of those functions. So next, if you take, so we are done with this one of the trigonometric function sin x. This becomes the continuity. This function becomes continuous at x is equal to c. Suppose if you take, suppose I will take the fourth one, that is a polynomial function. See, polynomial function is like see, that is, if you take f of x is equal to polynomial function. Polynomial function is c. X square plus 1 is a polynomial function. X cube plus 3x square plus 1. Isn't it? X power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ polynomial function. The general form ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು general form ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ? Polynomial function f of x is equal to c a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube. Okay, plus so on plus an into x to the power n. This is the general form of the polynomial function. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ with x power 1 ಅಲ್ಲ, see ಇಲ್ಲಿ with x power 0, x power anything power 0 1. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on an x power n. This is the polynomial function. See, very important. Polynomial function. I am talking about polynomial function. Okay. Now I will check how I will prove the polynomial function is continuous. See, every polynomial function is a continuous. So now see, I will prove this polynomial function is a continuous. See, with this proof you can say that every polynomial function is continuous. So the limit of the function is equal to value of the function. See, here see f of x is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ see that is as limit x tends to c f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನದ ನಮಗೆ see this one substitute a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus so on plus an x power n. So as limit x tends to c and then so c that is a0 plus a1c plus a2c square plus a3c cube plus so on plus an c power n. See this is nothing but limit x tends to c f of x. See limit x tends to c f of x is equal to ಏನದು that is a0 plus a1c plus a2c square plus a3c square in place of x I have c. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ c when f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ c ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ f of c ಆಗ್ತದೆ. see f of c becomes a0 plus a1c plus a2c square. see if you have a for b that is f of b suppose a0 plus a1b plus a2b square. Okay, so this is a variable. See this b here is a variable. In place of b you can take y also. See y here these are the variables, but these a0 a1 a2 a3 these all are the constants. Okay, those are arbitrary constants. So ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ f of c ಆಯ್ತು. see that which is the value of the function. f of c ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ value of the function. value of the function is equal to limit of the function ಅಂತ. that is at limit x tends to c f of x is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು f of c. so ಏನಾಯ್ತು limit of the function is equal to value of the function. then I can say that the polynomial function is continuous at x is equal to c, that is at any real number. so therefore polynomial function is a continuous function. therefore f is continuous at x is equal to c. x is equal to c under at any real number. the function is continuous at any real number. Okay, so one note, keep it in mind that every polynomial function is a continuous function. The polynomial function is continuous function. How I can say? See, I can say this is the general formula for the polynomial function. With this proof, I can say that the polynomial function is continuous. See here, the given function is continuous at x is equal to c. Why? Because the limit of the function is equal to the value of the function of the. Therefore, I can say that the function is continuous. Let's discuss the next problem, that is discuss the continuity of the function f given by f of x is equal to mod x. So you guys are well known with the modulus function. Mod x at x is equal to 0. So I have to check at x is equal to 0 whether this modulus function, this mod function is continuous or not. I have to check. See, first write the given function. What is that? F of x is equal to mod x. See, mod x takes the value when x greater than 0, it takes plus x. When x equal to 0, it takes value 0. Okay, when x less than 0, it takes the value minus x. See, f of x, that is the modulus function. Mod x takes the value x when x greater than 0, and mod x takes the value 0 when x equal to 0, and mod x takes the value minus x when x is less than 0. See, when x is equal to 0, it takes the value 0. For all the values x less than 0, the right hand limit. See, now I should check the left hand limit and right hand limit. Why? Because we have x less than 0 here and x greater than 0 here. Up to this problem. Problem. So now I have to check, I have to talk about the left hand limit as well as the right hand limit. See, once our left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, so then I say that the function is, the limit exists for the given function. Okay, so then I say that limit exists. So first what you will do, see, so we know that the given point is at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0, the right hand limit. So first I will check for the right hand limit. See, RHL, it is written as RHL, that is right hand limit. What is the right hand limit? I explained you in the previous videos. Please do watch that concept. Okay, our concept ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು. Limit as x tends to 0 plus. So right hand limit is c plus. Limit x tends to 0 plus, that is at x is equal to 0 ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. So at limit tending to x is equal to 0 plus, that is the right hand limit. What is the f of x? It takes the value plus x, that is see, limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is the x, but here x is tending to 0 plus. Limit x tends to 0 plus is nothing but see, x is the 0. So limit x tends to 0 plus x is equal to 0. So this is the right hand limit. Now check for the left hand limit. That is see, limit x tends to 0 minus. Limit x tends to 0 minus. See, 0 minus ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಕಿನ ಸಣ್ಣದು. So what it takes the value? Minus x. See, f of x takes the value minus x when it is the left hand side. That is 0 minus. See, this is a 0 plus, this is 0 minus. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. That is limit x tends to 0 minus x it takes. See, limit x tending to 0 minus x is nothing but minus 0. That is nothing but a 0. In place of x I what will write? That is a 0. See, observe the right hand limit and left hand limit. What is the right hand limit and left hand limit? That is right hand limit is equals to the left hand limit, which is equal to 0. So therefore, so I write that at x is equal to 0. So in general I write limit x tends to 0, f of x exists. What is the value? That is 0. So limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to 0. This is the limit of the function. So now you have to know the value of the function. See, in the previous problem I explained you, at x equal to 0, what is the function taking the value? 0. See, the value of the function becomes value of the function, which is nothing but at x is equal to 0, what is the function value? F of x is equal to 0. That is nothing but f of 0 is equal to 0. See, this is the value of the function. That is nothing but f of 0. This is the value of the function and this is the limit of the function, where both are equal, isn't it? Both are 0. So limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. See, first ಏನಾಯಿತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ x ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, x ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ x ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 0 ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ we have x less than 0, x greater than 0 here. So right hand limit is equal to left hand limit ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ so limit exists for the given function. Then if limit exists, whether that limit is equal to the value of the function, we have to check. So value of the function ಕೂಡ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು 0 ಬಂತು, ಇದನ್ನು 0 ಬಂತು. So limit of the function value of the function. Therefore, I can say that the f is continuous at x equal to 0. F is continuous at x equal to 0. Compulsory one question ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. So this is a very important chapter. See, just ನೀವು calculus part ಇಷ್ಟು chapters ಓದಿದ್ರೂ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. But our aim is to get good marks, isn't it? So not only this chapter, you have to study every chapter. So this is one of the very important. There will be some fixed question on these chapters. So I'll tell one by one, and I'll discuss with the problems which are given in the previous year question paper. I'll discuss those problems also, and the very important chapters which are comes under the calculus part. These are the very important chapters. So please do practice all the things. If you feel any difficulty, feel free to ask anything. I'll explain you.